Good evening, traders. This is Nasdaq Godfather. I'm Shushumbi Forex, the kingpin of Wall Street, who doesn't follow but lead Nasdaq. Hope you guys are having a profitable day. So right now, guys, we're actually going to be focusing on the main basics of analyzing Nasdaq, guys. So if you're actually new to our YouTube channel, please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you get notified when we upload. So yeah, guys, we're just going to be focusing on our daily updates on Nasdaq, guys. So yeah, and congratulations to myself. All our videos that I have been uploading ever since this year started has been going nowhere but profits. You understand? So yeah, guys. So yeah, that's about it. So yeah, now, so I'm just going to show you guys like how it's actually done. You understand? So you'll be preaching the same movement over and over again until it sinks in your head. So yeah, guys, what are we actually going to be doing? You move to your weekly time frame, you identify your highest turning point, which will be your support, which will be your resistance. Excuse me, it's your resistance. You understand? So you have to identify your resistance, highest selling point, and your lowest selling point, which will be your support. You understand? I know that okay, our lowest selling point is this point right here. You understand? But we're just going to be focusing on this main parts because this is where like the market has been playing around, and this is where the market has been making like major movements. You understand? And it will take for a very very long time for the market to actually come back to the bottom right here at this bottom trend. You understand? Other than that, we're just going to be using this point because this is the point where the market actually managed to stop a big movement and gave us another big movement, and there at the top as well, it stopped the big movement again since we actually did. So the market actually stopped the big movement. You understand? So yeah, guys, this is actually our highest turning point and our lowest turning point right there at the top. You understand? So yeah, guys, after identifying your highest selling point and your lowest selling point, another thing that you need to be focusing on is the market trend, whether we're on an uptrend or we're on a downtrend. But I think it's pretty much obvious that we're actually on an uptrend. You understand? So this is actually an uptrend or an uptrend, the thing that you'll be looking for your highest turning point where the market actually broke like your higher highs. You understand? So whenever you're drawing your trend line, you need to have two touches or more, nothing less than that. Two touches or more whenever you're drawing your trend line. You understand? So I do have my first touch, second touch right there going to the top. You understand? So whenever I get like three touches or more, I should start looking for like chart patterns. You understand? Where whenever I see like double bottom, double top, head and shoulder, inverted head and shoulder, a bullish like a bullish flag or a bearish flag, that's when I'll be actually looking for the market to actually going to break our trend and going to give us an opposite trend. All right, so now we are moving further. Okay, so another thing after identifying your your trend, another thing you're looking for, because since this is actually an uptrend, you are now actually looking for higher highs. And if we're on a downtrend, you'll be looking for lower lows. You understand? But since this is actually an uptrend, what we're actually looking for is actually our higher highs. You understand? So let me try and label all of them. Understand? Just make sure that you label each and every one of them. Understand? You leave nothing. You understand? You make sure that you label all of them. This is actually part of discipline. This is part of discipline. Once you start leaving once you start leaving the marks and steps that you are no longer following, you are no longer disciplined in forex. But the thing that you need to understand is that in forex, number one rule is that you are disciplined. You understand? You know how to control yourself, you know how to follow your rules, you know how to follow your trading plan, you know how to deal with your psychology. You understand? So this is our current supports. You understand right there? So I'm just going to label it, and now we move further on to the downside. No, we're actually moving furthermore to daily time frame. Understand? So on your daily time frame, we can see that the market is actually on an obvious buy. You understand? It's an obvious buy where we're going right there at the top. At the trend line right there at the top, you understand? That's where we're going. So once the market actually touches the top part right there, the market has to give us like a beautiful reverse. You understand? The market has to reverse and come back to the bottom. You understand? But the market actually might touch at the top right there and give us a beautiful pattern where they'll force the market to actually come back to the bottom and break, you understand, and start giving us like more selling opportunities. You understand? Because remember, we're on our highest high. You understand? This level right here is actually our highest high, highest of all times, which is very, very, very strong. You understand? So now we're actually looking for like more opportunities where we could just enter. You understand? Because we know that okay, this is actually the market is still going to give us like more beautiful buying movements. You understand? but we are not sure where to enter because you can just put in your buying opportunities right here and you say that the take profits right there at the top. You obviously blow because the market is still going to manipulate you. You understand? The market even might even come at a specific point right here at the bottom and give us a double bottom, and the market is going to go up and end up breaking at the top side. You understand? The market end up breaking at the top side, and now you already blown your account when the market actually gave us a beautiful retracement. You understand? So now we move on further more to the downside. Now we move on to 4 hour time frame. 4 hour time frame, what we are actually looking for is our beautiful major key. So okay, let me try and fix my trend line right here at the bottom side. Cause like me leaving it like this, it will confuse me when I'm moving further more to the downside. You understand? I'll feel as if it's now invalid. So whenever you're drawing your trend line, whenever you're putting your trend line, whether it's your horizontal trend line or vertical trend line, guys, you should just make sure that like your trend line is on your week. You understand? So let us choose. Okay, beautiful. So on your 4 hour time frame, now I'm just going to draw my major key right here. So if the market actually breaks this major key at the bottom, I know that the market is no longer coming up. You understand? Once the market actually breaks, once the market actually breaks this major key, goes furthermore, it has to retest, and the market has to come back right here at the bottom. You understand? Once the market actually breaks my major key, so I'm going to put my resistant trend somewhere here. I'm seeing a beautiful three touches right there at the top. You understand? I'm seeing a very beautiful one. Yeah, I think that's about it. Yeah, guys. So if the market actually breaks this major key right here at the bottom side, we are no longer going to the top. We're just going to be focusing on where the market is actually going to the bottom. You understand? To the bottom side. So yeah, let us just move furthermore to the downside, guys. So as moving furthermore to the downside, we should just focus on okay, so can we please identify our support. So I'm now moving furthermore to the downside. So me moving furthermore to the downside, I get to understand that I'm seeing a beautiful consolidation. So the market is actually playing around at certain level right here. You understand? So this is our beautiful support. There's a beautiful structure right here, a beautiful base that has been stopping the market from going furthermore to the downside. You understand? We all know that okay now this is not where the market should start going up furthermore to the upside, because once we are here, like once we are here, there are a lot of opportunities for us to actually blow. Because if we can actually enter buys from this level, we wait for the double bottom, the market goes up to the top side. You understand? There are a lot of opportunities for us to actually blow because the market might actually give us a beautiful uh breakout and a retest and comes back right here and give us like a beautiful head and shoulder pattern. You understand? And the market is actually going to go furthermore up to the top side. You understand? So yeah, guys, that's about it. Like that's about it. Because once the market actually gives me this head and shoulder that I was talking about, I know that okay, we are going to the top side, guys. We are never coming back to the bottom. You understand? Like it will be a beautiful freeway run. Right. So let me just try and adjust this. All right. Okay, so we are now moving furthermore to the downside, you understand? So this is not where I'm going to enter. I know like a lot of traders would have entered buys, you understand, once the market actually came right here at a certain level right here, understand? More traders would have taken their buying opportunities going furthermore to the top side. But I'm not because I know how they actually been doing it. I've came to notice that they like creating certain structures whereby you're going to believe in, you understand? They give you certain structures on like smaller time frames because they know that most traders do not like holding trades. That are more scalpers than swing traders. You understand? So you entering at this base right here that was given to you by them. You understand? There are more opportunities for you to actually blow because the market actually might disrespect this position and give us a beautiful head and shoulder that I was actually talking about. You understand? So the where I'm going to enter exactly, I'm going to put a beautiful buy signal once the market comes back to this level right here. This is where I'm actually going to take in my buys, going for the more to the top side. You understand? Going for the more to the top side, which I believe will be a beautiful entry for me. You understand? So I have to just wait for the market to actually come back to my major support. And I'll be taking in trades from my major support to my major resistance. You understand? So now let me try and erase this and go for the more to the downside. You understand? So I'm now moving for the more to 30-minute time frame. So this is actually a beautiful consolidation. I do not like trading when the market is actually consolidating. You understand? Because the market, like, it's unpredictable. The market has to complete its structure, but you are not sure when and where the market will complete its structure. You understand? You do not want to be there when the market completes its structure. Because I know it's all fun and games when you are buying at your support and selling at your resistance. You understand? But wait until the market actually comes back and breaks it. You understand? And now you're actually blowing your accounts. So that's why I do not like trading. When the market is actually consolidating. So I'm trying to put a major key where the market's actually consolidating, and I'm seeing that it's not possible. So I'm moving further more to the downside. You understand? Yeah. So uh, I'm seeing like a beautiful double bottom right here and a beautiful broken structure right here. It's actually our support, our resistance, which is now our support. You understand? And the market actually did manipulate and went up to the top side. You understand? But still, I won't be executing anyway here. You understand? Let me just go back to the top. You understand? I'll be executing once the market comes back to this support and will give me like beautiful buying opportunities up till that point right there. You understand? So yeah, guys, I think that's about it with our video. This is the end of our video, and please don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you get notified when we upload. You understand? So, nonetheless, guys, if you have any questions, if you need me to actually explain something, maybe entry levels or introduction into trading forex, feel free to actually text me on Instagram. Feel free to actually text me on Telegram at Nasdaq_Godfather. You understand? Anywhere else, guys. So, yeah, Nasdaq Godfather signing out. Down.